Okay, so I guess I'm going to be sideways tonight because I don't know why it's like that. So I guess we're going to have to just deal with it. So, anyway. Okay. We're going to make a
sideways tonight because I don't know why
Halloween board today.
So I guess we're going to have to just deal with it.
Click that off so you don't have to hear me talking to myself. I did get a little microphone so that hopefully you can hear me better. Let me know if you guys think it helps or not. Hopefully it does without being too loud. We'll see how it works. So this is couture. If you watched any of my videos before, you know that this is a silkscreen transfer that we apply chalk paste to and then peel it off. It goes on wet, dries hard, then you wash your transfer and you can reuse it multiple times. Depending on how good you take care of it, 8 to 10 to 12 times probably. Some people are getting more, some people are getting less. Depends on how good you take care of it. So, what we're going to do is, with these colors, this is lime. An older color, there's now kiwi, which is just a little bit not quite as bright. We're going to use orange peel. And you want them to be the consistency of yogurt. This one might be a little thick. So if they're thick, you can put just a little bit of water in them and stir it up. I don't know if you can hear. Yeah, it sounds pretty good now. Sometimes you'll hear like a crackle, like a snap, crackle, pop sound going on in there. You want that gone because that means it's dry or there's air. You want to get that stirred up nice so it looks like yogurt. Sour cream, yogurt, whichever one you like. So that was orange peel. The first one was lime. This one is called Storm. It's a light gray. I may or may not use that one, just depends on how things go. Then we're going to use this really pretty purple, which is called grape soda. That's pretty. That's my favorite color. So, I don't know if you can see this spot on my hand. I burned the living crap out of my wrist last week. And my face, my cheek. I bought one of those curling wands. And I've always used a curling iron with a little clamp thing on it. I've never used the wand thing before, so let's just say it was a fail. And I wore my hair in a ponytail because I wasn't going to mess with it. I had to go to work. Should not have been practicing when I had to go to work. So, anyway, let's get started here with my burnt hand. I think we'll go with Happy in the lime. Purple's going to be the Halloween. The pumpkins are going to be in orange. And there's little stems. I'm going to do those in brown. And then I may use the gray to go along these little swirly things. We'll see how we do. So I'm going to go ahead. That's still a little bit thick. I'm going to put some more squirt of water in that one. They've been sitting open for a little bit while I've been getting ready, so I wanted to have everything open and ready to go. Usually I put the transfer on camera, but since this was a big one, I didn't want to chance a catastrophe on camera. So let's just say I'm new to the camera thing still, new to the couture still somewhat, so you know, I don't want to be looking like a fool on camera. So alright, so first I'm going to put some green up here on the Happy. I'm not going to spread it around just yet. I'm going to put all my colors on first and see if that works better for me. I saw someone do that the other day and it looked like it went a lot better doing it that way, so I'm going to give that a shot. So we're just going to drip some paste on the places that we're going to do, like so. Oh, there's my doggy. He's a barker but not a biter. He's a big scaredy cat. A little bit of brown. On the stems. And I'm gonna go, what am I gonna do here? I'm gonna put a bit of gray on these spots. This might dry out before I get, it's probably gonna dry out before I get done. I'm just too slow still. Big transfers. I should know better than to do them on camera because I'm just too slow. I can't go as fast as these other ladies go that do these awesome projects. And they come out beautiful. Alright, so here we go. I'm going to do the green up here. And I'm not going to completely take that off yet because I want to let it sit because I'm slow, like I said. So I'm going to set that over there. Get a new squeegee. Spread my grape color around. Oh, already messed up. I got some of that gray in my grape. Oh well. Carry on. Carry on, carry on. You can totally do this all in one color and make your life a lot easier. But I thought I'd get brave and try a multicolor one for you guys. So I don't really have anybody here live, so if you watch it on the replay, give me a little comment that you watched on replay so that I at least know I'm getting somebody to watch these things. But it's not a complete waste of my day. Pretty please. Because it is a lot of fun. It really, really is. For the brown, I'm going to use one of these little tiny makeup stir stick things. Oopsie, I covered my brown stem on that one. See, I knew I'd mess it up. Oh well. Carry on. So who's ready for Halloween? Who's ready for fall? I live outside of Denver and it has been hotter than normal all this past couple weeks. Like in the 90s. Ooh, yeah, I really messed that up. Oh, this is probably going to be a fail. Okay, let's do, this is our multi-tool, and it's really nice for getting in these little bitty, spaces. This is a really tight space. You can even use your finger if you get desperate. Finger paints. And it's starting to dry out, so I gotta hurry up. Alright. A little bit more green right up here. These colors might be touching, running together a little bit. I'm gonna try to save some of that green because I love that color, and that one's not available anymore. Instead it is the kiwi color, which is just a little bit darker, but I love that lime, especially for Halloween. Alright, I'm going to smooth out this orange over here a little bit. And then we're going to pull this baby off and see how it looks. Let's keep our fingers crossed. I can't get a grip on that, so it's pretty sticky, even though I did fuzz it. Here we go. See how it looks. This is a big transfer. I'm going to set that to the side and wash it here in a minute. Okay, I can live with that. I don't mind that it's kind of, oh, I did get the brown right. Okay. I like it. It's kind of chalky looking over here, and that's fine by me. So, I will post a picture. This is kind of the first one I've done on camera that was multicolor and wasn't a complete disaster. But I like it. I'm going to keep it. So, hope that you guys are having a great day. And I hope that you like this project. And if you would like to check out this stuff, just shoot me a message and I'll let you know how to do it. Or you can click on the shop button on my page here and go to my website. If you would like to get this awesome stuff at 40% off, you can become a designer and get your own stuff and make your own little profit off of it. So, anyway, hope you're all having a great day, and hope you like the project. Thanks for watching.